Hey folks, it is new guitar day, or more aptly, new bass day. Going to do an unboxing, a quick review of this bass. It is a Fender, a Chinese copy of a Fender jazz bass. Actually, this is Sunburst with a black pickguard, maple fretboard with the block inlays. Basically, had a pretty much loosely made a copy of an Ian Hill from Judas Priest, his early bass that he always played. Shoot, I don't know, probably up until Friends of the Faith, maybe? That album? I'm trying to think. I'm not even sure. But anyway, yeah, this is basically a Fender jazz bass copy. So get this box open and we'll see what we got here. I try to look up and tell you the seller and all that, if I can find it again. Definitely tape these boxes up well. I've ordered a few of these Chinese guitars, and I've never had one come in damaged. So you definitely get the packaging right, as opposed to some of the other guitars I've ordered from other places, and just one-off sellers and stuff too that are coming all damaged, banged up because their packaging is horrible. So here we go. Oop, got that foam smell. I don't know what that is exactly, to tell you the truth. Formaldehyde-ish, I don't know. They give you their always cheap cable. I got a cheap strap too, and a couple guitar picks. But, okay, like I said, the packaging is always on point, and they always come well protected. They definitely have that down. I've never gotten one damaged yet. Okay. What we got here? I'm going to get caught on the lower horn here. Here she is. I believe it's a basswood body, but it is it's actually fairly weighty for basswood. I was expecting it to be lighter than it is. I did ask them to try to get me a heavy piece of basswood. I tried to get them to do it in alder, but that was going to be another $20–30. So I said to hell with that. Just make it with the basswood. And I'll see what we get. Well, that doesn't look great. The pick guard has a little blemish on it right there. I don't know if this has plastic cover on it or what. It probably is plastic. Yeah, it's just a plastic covering. So no worries there. Finish looks pretty good. I got the black pickguard there. On the site it was a white pickguard, but like I said, I got it to kind of replica Ian Hill's bass, and he has a black pickguard on his with the maple and the black block inlays. Also has the black binding on the sides here, which is pretty cool, the neck. I didn't realize that. There's the headstock, tuners, the back of the bass. So yeah, I mean, overall, pretty nice. Pretty nice considering. Let me get her tuned up, and then I'll do a little demo. I'm not really a bass player, but you know, I'm kind of a guitar player, but not really a bass player. But we'll see what we can do. Stand by.